Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use Binance on desktop. First, navigate to the Binance website and click Register. You can sign up using your email address or phone number. After creating your account, you'll need to complete identity verification, often called KYC, to unlock all features and increase your transaction limits. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security, protecting your assets with an extra layer of defense. Once your account is set up, it's time to fund it. You have several options. You can deposit existing cryptocurrency from another wallet by generating a deposit address for your chosen coin. Alternatively, you can buy crypto directly using fiat currency through various payment methods like bank transfer or credit card. For more flexibility, explore the peer-to-peer or P2P trading platform to buy crypto from other users. Now let's dive into trading. On the Binance desktop interface, you'll find a wide selection of trading pairs. Decide whether you want to engage in spot trading for immediate transactions, margin trading to amplify your positions, or futures trading for advanced strategies. When placing an order, you can choose a market order for instant execution, a limit order to set your desired price, or a stop limit order for risk management. Finally, managing your assets and maintaining security are crucial. Your wallet overview provides a clear picture of your portfolio and transaction history. When you're ready to withdraw funds, you can send them to an external cryptocurrency wallet or convert them to fiat and withdraw to your bank account. Always remember to regularly review your security settings and activity logs to ensure your account remains safe and protected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.